done with my omelet and my pancakes still haven't came out yet. I don't know what the holdup is, but still haven't received them. I'm halfway done with my omelet. Okay, yeah, I'm finna get back in the car. I just got done eating at Original Pancake House, one of my favorite spots. Love Original Pancake House. As y'all did see, it took them forever to bring my doggone pancakes out. But as always, the pancakes were super, super good. No complaints from me unless they slip me a whammy. But I am in a hurry today, because I get off early. I actually get off early from work today. I gotta pick up an order from Bath & Body Works, so let's head over there. They doing a $10 off sale. I'm not sure if I'm gonna find anything. I really don't have time to look, but I need to pick this order up. Yeah, I need to pick this order up. I don't usually shop at this store, but today, or they finally got their BOPIS back open or return or whatever you call it. So I did place an order for pickup, so I'm gonna pick that up and then head back to work. I have maybe an hour, and I'm probably about 20 minutes, 15 minutes from my job, so I don't really have a lot of time. So that's the reason why I had to hurry up and I had to eat fast. But I always enjoy my food at Original Pancake House. I absolutely love Original Pancake House. Your girl needs some lotion. Oh, this is open. I need some lotion. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one? Welcome, everybody. Also, big old shout out to the people that's watching everything. Vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat. Follow me on Instagram using my hashtag or following my hashtag Kimble Lit Wicks or Kimble Lit Wick. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. I had to say that real quick, even though I know I opened it up kind of different, but that's because I really wasn't going to record in there, you know, my meal or whatever, but that was taking so long. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna record this. At first I was sitting in the booth, but I decided to sit at the bar because they said it was a lot faster. Let's head over to Bath & Body Works. Leave in the comments, let me know, what are you getting? Have you seen any of those new candles in your store? Leave that at the bottom. Let's head over here to Bath & Body Works. Hopefully my experience is good. I can't guarantee y'all that I'm gonna record it here, because y'all know I don't usually shop at this one because they be tripping sometimes. So I'm not even sure if I'm going to record, but if I do, enjoy the walkthrough. But if I don't, I'll come back with the few items that I bought. All right, let's head over there. I got a pickup order. I just go with y'all. I got my stuff. Got my BOPIS order. Like I said, it wasn't really much at all. And I already swapped out one of the hand sanitizer. I had the pink, the watermelon lemonade hand sanitizer, and I switched it for the gingham love because I really wanted this one. And I really wanted that other one, but they didn't have it. So the other hand sanitizer I got is the pink pineapple sunrise. Got that one. And I got kiwi strawberry is the last one. So girl. So I grabbed 3 hand sanitizers since they were on sale for $3.75. Can't beat that. And then I grabbed 2 of the fine fragrance mints because they were on sale as well. And y'all know your girl crazy about this copper coconut sand. I absolutely love it. Coconut, orchid petals, and sandalwood. This is so good. This is so good. So I might get like the body wash and the lotion with my rewards, or if they have an amazing sale, then I might grab it on that. So yeah, got that. And then they have the butterfly perfume, the travel size fragrance. I decided to grab that because I actually was going to order this because they were showing that it wasn't in store. So I'm happy I did go and they did have it. I don't know the scent notes. No scent notes on it, so I cannot tell you, but I will open it and smell it. Even though I have replica beach walk on, so hopefully that don't interfere with this scent. Love the fact that it's a spray, but I wish Bath and Body Works would make these with the screw top so you could refill them. I would love that. So let's smell it. Let me see what it smells like. Maybe I should spray some on the bag. Yeah, since I don't have a tissue. So I sprayed a little bit on the bag. We're gonna see. It's actually nice. Yeah, it's actually really nice floral scent. That's nice. So I'm gonna probably have to post the scent notes so y'all will know because I actually don't know. That's nice. So basically that's everything I got from the store. That's it. Leave in the comments, what did you get? I have not got anything on the $10 off sale. I really didn't have time to check because your girl got to go back to work and I really need to be leaving like now. So leave in the comments, let me know what is your #1 pick for this sale, this $10 off sale. Leave that down at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, follow or use my hashtag. Also hit the bell, hit that bell. I know I've been forgetting to say that, but please hit the bell. Follow me on my social media platforms because all that stuff do help your girl. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.